Hello, makers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for exploring cutting-edge technology. Today, we're delving into the world of 3D printing as we unveil the top 5 3D printers of 2024. These printers offer a glimpse into the future of manufacturing and DIY projects, boasting innovation, precision, and versatility. From entry-level models perfect for beginners to high-performance printers catering to professionals, we've compiled the ultimate list. Join us as we dissect these top-rated 3D printers, highlighting their printing quality, build volume, speed, and unique features. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech reviews. Links to these remarkable 3D printers are waiting for you in the description below. Starting at number 5, the Photon V400 3D printer stands out as a powerful and versatile machine, catering to both experienced users and beginners diving into the world of 3D printing. At its core, the V400 boasts exceptional speed and acceleration capabilities, reaching 600 mm printing speed and 8,000 plus ms2 acceleration. The printer utilizes Clipper firmware and a unique robotic arm design, blending carbon fiber rods and aerospace-grade aluminum for structural rigidity and precision. A standout feature is the self-developed leveling algorithm, employing 25 points to compensate for machining errors, ensuring a flawless first layer for every print. Moreover, its bimetal 300°C high-temperature nozzle expands material possibilities, accommodating various filaments like PLA, ABS, PTG, and more. The Photon Speeder Pad, a 7-inch wide-angle IPS screen, comes pre-installed with full Clipper firmware, offering a seamless and user-friendly interface for controlling and monitoring prints. Its robust build, combined with a self-developed leveling algorithm, enhances print quality and user experience. Compatibility with various slicing software and file formats provides users with flexibility in choosing their preferred tools for creating and slicing models. Overall, the Photon V400 is a commendable choice for creators seeking a blend of speed, precision, and material versatility. Whether you're an experienced enthusiast or a novice exploring the world of 3D printing, this printer offers a broad spectrum of features and functionalities to experiment and create with ease. At number 4, the Zonistar 3D printer sets itself apart with its impressive capabilities and flexible options, making it an ideal choice for those seeking multifunctional and customizable 3D printing experiences. Equipped with 4 Titan extruders and a 4-in-1-out hot end, this printer offers the ability to print multicolored 3D models. Its support for painting color onto one-color 3D models in slicing software enables the creation of vibrant and detailed prints. What's remarkable is its user-friendly design, offering a 95% pre-assembled setup for quick installation, allowing users to dive into printing projects almost instantly. Additionally, the printer operates at an ultra-silent noise level, ensuring a comfortable working environment. The high-performance 32-bit control board and power loss recovery feature provide added reliability during printing, preventing potential data loss or disruptions. Zonistar offers a range of optional upgrades, including a 4-in-1-out mixing color hot end for gradient mixed color printing, a Wi-Fi module for wireless control, and a direct driver extruder for printing flexible TPU filament. Moreover, the printer supports high-speed and high-temperature hot ends, enabling faster printing speeds, and an automatic repeat printing module that automatically takes down printed objects from the platform, continuing the printing process. This printer's adaptability and upgrade options make it suitable for hobbyists, enthusiasts, or professionals aiming to experiment with various materials, colors, and functionalities in their 3D printing projects. At number 3, the Elegoo Saturn II introduces advanced features catering to professional-grade 3D printing needs. Its 10-inch 8K monochrome LCD screen with an impressive resolution of 7,680 x 4,320 and an ultra-fine XY resolution of 28.5 microns ensures outstandingly detailed 3D models with exceptionally fast layer curing times of 1 to 3 seconds. This leads to highly detailed prints with exceptional accuracy. Notably, the printer boasts a 43% larger printing volume compared to previous models, providing a build volume of 219 x 100 and 23 x 250 m. This increased size allows for printing larger models or multiple smaller models in one batch, ideal for prototyping or batch production. The use of a Fresnel collimating light source, comprising 48 highly integrated UV LED lights, works in harmony with the COB lens and FCL system Fresnel lens, ensuring uniform light beam emission at 400 and 5N wavelength. This results in excellent printing accuracy and smooth surface finishes. Elegoo Saturn II emphasizes reliability with its dual linear rails on the Z-axis, ensuring stable and accurate movement for remarkable printing performance. The sandblasted surface build plate enhances model adhesion, and the PFA release liner simplifies model removal. Furthermore, its filtration system with an activated carbon filter minimizes resin odors, creating a pleasant printing environment. This printer suits professionals and enthusiasts requiring high-detail, large-volume 3D printing capabilities with exceptional precision and reliability. At number 2, the Flashforge Guider 2s presents itself as a game-changer in the realm of 3D printing, offering an impressive build volume of 11.0 x 9.8 x 11.8 inches, 280 x 200 and 50 x 300 millimeters. Its automatic leveling feature intelligently adjusts the platform height during printing, ensuring hassle-free operations and an enhanced printing experience. This printer boasts a high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius, exhibiting compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PTG, nylon, and more, thereby expanding the scope of print possibilities. Dual platform functionality, combined with its ability to resume printing after power outages or interruptions, stands out as a standout feature. This not only promotes model adhesion, but also facilitates swift heat bed heating, enabling easy removal of printed models and preventing print interruptions. Equipped with a HEPA 13 air filter and a built-in HD camera, the Guider 2s ensures a safe operating environment by absorbing impurities and gases generated during printing while allowing real-time monitoring of the printing process. The efficient after-sales support, including a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical assistance, and a 1-year warranty, provides users with confidence and reliability. Flashforge's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through its responsive 12-hour service, creating a worry-free purchase experience. For users seeking a 3D printer with an extensive build volume, diverse filament compatibility, and robust after-sales support, the Flashforge Guider 2s emerges as a reliable choice, offering a balance between functionality, reliability, and support. At number 1, Anycubic Photon M3 Max is a standout in the world of resin-based 3D printers, boasting a colossal printing size of 11.7 x 6.5 x 11.81 inches. This expansive build volume surpasses the conventional limitations, enabling the creation of larger-scale models or batch printing while maintaining precise details. The printer integrates a 13.6 inches 7K HD monoscreen, ensuring high definition and accurate prints despite its extended size. This is coupled with a ball screw Z-axis rail and an impressive contrast ratio of 450:1, guaranteeing fine detailing and superior model reproduction. Speed is a notable forte of the Photon M3 Max, thanks to its AB4 neatly arranged LED lights composing the monoscreen. These lights facilitate a rapid layer printing time of merely 3 seconds, achieving speeds of up to 60 mm/hour, significantly reducing production durations. Automatic resin feeding is an innovative feature that minimizes print failures due to insufficient resin by intelligently replenishing it as needed, freeing users from continuous monitoring during printing. The printer's functionality is elevated by several upgrades, including a laser engraving 3D printing platform for better adhesion, anti-scratch film to protect the screen, and an overall enhanced success rate for complex prints. For creators seeking a resin-based 3D printer that breaks the size barriers and retains precision, the Anycubic Photon M3 Max emerges as an exceptional choice, providing a unique blend of extensive printing volume, fine detailing, and impressive printing speeds.